Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer Notcoin from Tonkeeper wallet to OKX. This tutorial is quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now on Tonkeeper, you want to go ahead and click on option send. From here you will need an address or a name and a comment. So an address, you can go ahead to your OKX now and go ahead and click receive option. Now you will need to select the cryptocurrency. So you're going to search for Not, and you're going to choose Notcoin on Ton network, the first one. Now you're going to see the address on OKX and you're going to click copy and go back to Tonkeeper. On Tonkeeper, you want to go ahead and paste the address. And after that, as you may see, the comment is not required. If it would be required, you will see that it's required. And after, just leave it blank, and after that click continue. Now you will have an option to choose Notcoin. I don't have it because I never sent Notcoin to my Tonkeeper, but basically you will see here Notcoin. You want to choose Not, enter the amount, and withdraw it from Tonkeeper and send it to your OKX. So that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.